Hey all, it's your James. We visited Ginger Restaurant Villas. Yes, this is far south because this is located in Cavinti, Laguna. Sa labas, hindi mo malalaman na may gantong malaking space kasi small entrance lang siya papunta dun sa parking lot, but this is the entrance talaga sa loob. Gabi na kami nakarating, hindi na namin nakita yung overlooking view. But ang maganda sa place is well lit and maganda yung light installation nila. Maganda rin yung interior ng place. Kita nyo may mga plants sila indoor. Medyo industrialized din yung look na may mga wood designs. Tapos sa loob, ayan yung trail papunta dun sa baba kasi may mga villas dun sa baba. May mga individual rooms. Medyo mataas. Meron din silang pool area that's overlooking kapag umaga. So, while waiting for our order, bumaba muna kami, tinignan namin yung place. Again, medyo matarik yung pababa pero buti na lang may handle. Tsaka may tour guide naman. Tour guide? May nag-assist naman. Ayan yung mga villas nila. Sa loob merong bed and may individual CR din. Gabi na kayo hindi makita but sa harap niya mga villas na yan, merong lake. Tapos dumating na yung mga food. Sarap yung puto ube, medyo matamis. Etong steam pampano, mamaya na. Etong sotanghon is one of the best food that we had that night. Yung lumpia nila was crunchy but ang cute ng serving, di ba? It was okay. The sisig, masarap siya but nothing really special about it. This biryani rice, I think in-adjust nila yung flavor to the Filipino tongue kasi medyo mild na yung flavor. I was expecting more flavors but it was okay, it was good. We also got this squid. Yan, okay yan, masarap yan. Medyo sad lang yung experience namin dun sa steam pampano kasi yung isa nung dumating, hilaw pa yung loob. They apologized naman and then inayos naman nila yung luto. Yun lang, medyo busog na nung dumating. So, pina-takeout na lang namin. So, pagkakain, one more stroll outside para bumaba lang yung kinain. May mga cute dogs around the area. Cute niya, taba-taba. I hope you could check out this place. I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10. Please like and follow my page. Bye!